If you're planning a renovation this year, the focus is on blending comfort, technology, and nature. Here are the top remodeling trends defining 2026. The strongest trend is biophilic design. Homeowners are incorporating natural light, indoor water features, and organic materials to create a calming environment connected to nature. Smart home technology is becoming invisible. Expect to see seamlessly integrated climate controls, hidden voice-activated lighting, and smart appliances that blend completely into the cabinetry. Eco-conscious building is the new standard. Renovations are prioritizing sustainability with reclaimed wood flooring, recycled countertops, and low-impact materials that are beautiful and environmentally responsible. The era of the single-use room is over. Spaces are being redesigned for high adaptability, like guest bedrooms featuring hidden Murphy beds and integrated home offices. Say goodbye to stark, all-white interiors. The 2026 color palette is shifting toward warmth, with rich terracotta, warm beiges, and moody greens dominating the home. Bathrooms are transforming into personal health retreats. Standard setups are being replaced by custom steam showers, infrared saunas, and deep soaking tubs for daily wellness. While kitchens remain the heart of the home, the mess is moving out of sight. Massive butler's pantries and appliance garages keep main countertops completely clear. Backyards are becoming true extensions of the home. We are seeing fully covered, all-season patios with built-in heating and full-scale kitchens for year-round outdoor entertaining. Lighting is no longer just functional, it is the primary art piece. Oversized sculptural fixtures in matte metals or woven fibers are creating immediate visual impact. Ready to bring these 2026 trends into your own home? For expert design and professional remodeling services, visit bvcontractors.com today.